Listening to these guys here.
I don't know what the medical term is, it's a neurologist, but yeah, they stick pins in your nerves to see where
They say some pretty weird stuff.
where your open is.
Anyway, I went to go feed the cat and noticed I had my battery from Ridgid.
Yeah, that's what I was told. They try to follow the electrical current, I guess, of the nerve, something like that.
They gave me no email, no nothing, no information about it. Boy, they packaged this crazy. Ridgid. 18 volt, 2 amp hour, max output lithium battery. I think the battery I replaced it with, I don't think it's 2 amp. I think it's like 1.8. But, okay, so I have that one. I hope I didn't read them the wrong number. They asked me for the serial number on the battery, and I don't think that's the right battery. It's one of these. These are my original. Yes, it's one of these. So, they wanted to replace the battery. Okay, so this is 27 watt hour versus 36 watt hour. So it's 2.0 amp hour. This is a battery that came with a newer drill. This is the battery that came with my drill set. Now, there's nothing wrong with the battery, but they wanted to replace it because the battery did appear to get hot. But this is bad. In fact, I can still smell it. So they were supposed to send me an email with shipping information to return this to the factory, and then they'll look at it and repair it or send me a new one. So with this battery here, the other battery ends up being voided, even though it's still good, because it could have potential problem or damage. So it's kind of a freebie, I guess. So something shorted out in the drill and the battery got hot. And they're just like, well, we're just going to be safe. We'll replace it. So they base it off of the serial number that you've registered on your battery. So you have to do the LSA, lifetime service agreement. You need to register these within 90 days of purchase. And then if you have a problem, they'll, you get a hold of them. It's really hard to get a hold of them on the phone. And then they have the option to take care of you really good if they want to, or not at all. In my case, they, were like, battery, mail drill back, that kind of thing. I haven't mailed the drill back because I need to go in and redo the paperwork on that. And I need to get a container to mail it and then take it to the store and return it. So, not a big deal. I don't know what it cost for this. I believe it was $129 for the 2 batteries, an impact driver, a 3-speed impact driver, brushless. And this is the drill that I think this is my brushless drill. I bought another identical looking drill on sale at Home Depot for like really cheap with a battery and a charger, but it wasn't brushless. This one is brushless. I'm not sold on the whole brushless thing. I've got other ones like this one down here, which is actually a hammer drill. I like this one a lot better. Definitely not brushless. See the sparky. Ooh, that was funny. Didn't want to turn. I wonder if that's the other battery. It might be. Yeah, the battery's toast.